Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to put your lashes on, and they should be beginner friendly, but I mean I'm gonna try to be as detailed as possible. I'm gonna be using these mix right here. I got these from Amazon. Ordered these from Amazon. These was $7.99 on Amazon. So what you're gonna need to put on your lashes is a mirror. It don't matter what type of mirror it is. It could be a big mirror, or it could be a little mirror like this, little pocket-sized mirror like this. You're gonna need some tweezers. Of course, you're gonna need some lashes. They need some lash glue of your choice. I'm gonna be using some hair glue from the beauty supply. First off, I just want to say all lashes do not fit the same, because lashes like these, like mink lashes, they usually be a lot bigger than the average eye, so you might have to cut them. It's going to be something I'll show you in another video, because I already cut these. So if I ever get some new pair of lashes that's too big for my eye, I'm definitely gonna show you how to cut it the right way. When you cut your lash, if it's too long, what you do is you measure it on your eye, put it on top of your eye. Oops, shit. Put it on top of your eye like this. And you just want to see where the inner corner of the lash will touch and where the outer corner of the lash will touch. And on the outer corner, that's where you want to cut. You don't want to cut the inside of the lash or the inner corner, because that's the smallest part of the lash, and then it'll look unnatural if you just cut the inner corner of the lash. I'm going to take it, and then I'm going to put the glue across. And I try not to put too much, considering this hair glue, and this shit could probably get stuck on your eye. I mean, it's not gonna get stuck, but it'll last longer. For the glue, it depends on what glue you have, but you wanna make sure it gets tacky to where it could stick on your eye and it still be kind of wet, because if you just apply the lash on while it's still wet, it's not gonna stick. So what you want to do is you want to take a mirror. You want to take a mirror and you want to look down in your mirror. So when you're looking down, you want to see almost where your lashes start. So on your lash line, your natural lash line, that's where you want to put the lash on. So I'm going to show you. I'm going to get up close and I'm going to show you. So I'm looking down my mirror, and I'm just placing the lash behind my real lashes. I'm not putting it on my real lashes, because that's how your real lashes come off. So I'm placing it behind my real lashes. Well, this is the easiest way I do it. I put the lash in the middle first, and then I work my way to the corners. So I sit the lash in the middle of my eye first, then I work my way towards the corner of my lashes. For the tackiness, it depends on what kind of glue you have. So since I'm using hair glue, I already know, since when the glue goes from like a light gray to a dark blackish kind of color, that's when the glue is drying. So I'm gonna look. Shit. So if you want the lash glue to dry a little quicker, you can always wave it. You can always wave it, blow it, don't matter. So I'm gonna look in my mirror. I'm gonna look in my mirror, and then I'm gonna look downwards. Or is this looking up? No, this is looking down. And then place the lash in the middle then work your way towards the corner. So I'm working my way towards the outer corner, and then I go towards the inner corner. I know how to put on lashes with my fingers, but since I want to make this beginner friendly, so I want to make sure everybody know how to do it the easiest way. This could work if you got long nails and you can't put your lashes on. Well, I never had a problem with putting my lashes on even if I had long nails, because I feel like maintaining long nails is kind of easy long as you don't do stupid shit with them. You will know if you put the lash on right if there's no space, if there's not like a gap between your real lashes and the fake lashes. So the false lash, the band is kind of supposed to blend in with the lash line, and a trick to blending that in is just press the lashes and your real lashes together to make it blend in with each other. So this is it for the lash tutorial. I hope this was kind of helpful for you. And I'm just gonna do one more close-up so you can see how they're supposed to look. So underneath my lashes, you can see like there's no space in between. And by the way, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share if this video was helpful for you. And I will see you guys next video.
I'm gonna bow till I fall. I'm in that bitch on the mall. Say that she have me no choice. Say that she come from New York. Count that money, keep going. Count the runners, keep going. Count the runners, keep going. Count the runners, keep going. She said my boy make a munch. She said my boy make a munch.